So we can walk up like this and we can pick up the tools. That's cool. I carry it in my head, man. You can see the stones going in. It's low quality, but it's nice that they added a little animation, so that is cool. What? Hey family, what's good? We are back again. It's your boy Legends. CPM1 new update. Ready to take a look at those construction jobs, all the ones you can get, the ones that are limited to the trailers, and the ones that you can use with your regular daily driver or pickup truck of your choice. So here we are. I'm gonna go with the trailers first. So you see I got my semi truck right here and I'm on the wheel. I got my steering wheel attached. That's a sim wheel. So that's why you don't see my pedals or my controls showing. I got those hidden. Just got the basic UI and the map showing. So right now we're gonna roll in to pick up our first trailer. I'm not gonna show the entire drive on the way. I might do a live stream for that. But for this video, I'm just gonna show how I go pick it up and the animations that it shows. Because some of them are very cool. So those animations, when you go pick up the load, you unload. Sometimes you get to keep your trailer too. Like you get to unhook it somewhere and you can come back and pick it up, and that's your trailer. So how I got it to work by myself, I made a multiplayer room and I just put a password on it, so it's just me in here. That way the game doesn't lag too much and there's not too many bugs going on with the trailers and all of that they haven't fixed yet. So yeah, with all that said, let's dive right in. We're gonna peel up to the spot and pick up our first trailer. Let's go. So I'm gonna go here, drive in, and then click this blue arrow and we can see all the ones that we got. So I'm gonna do the water first. I think I'm gonna do the stone last because the stone is at the off-road place. I think I picked up a stone before when I was recording a short video, and we're gonna do the rest, the excavator, that. And then so you see when I have the semi truck, I can't pick these ones up, but I'm gonna load these ones up with another vehicle, maybe the pickup truck, once I get done with the trailers. So I'm gonna start the first one to deliver water. Then I'm gonna close out and you guys will see where I go to pick up the water. And I'm gonna show you guys the location and how it's loaded it and everything. So let's go. All right, so this is where we're going. Pick up the water. Go over here. Now you can see I had the hook right here. We can connect it just like that. Now you can move up below that. You see the water running out. That is so cool. It's so loaded now, so we can go drop it off. And let's go. This is where we unloading. Just drop it off right here. It doesn't have to be lined up perfectly. And so here you see, unload that. Now you get points for it. So that's the water gun, mission complete. And you see I still have the trailer on me, so I can go pick up water anytime with this once I'm still in the room. So I'm gonna let this off to go pick up the other trailer now. So I'm gonna just park this over here. This, dump that off. You can pick that up anytime we want to when we finish with the other jobs. Alright, let's see what else we got here. We did the water. Now I'm gonna do the cement. So let's go pick up a cement and see where it's at. Cement. Oh, Cement is at in the city, in the home area, and the snow. All right, so let's go get that. And then we can hook it up. We'll load. I wonder if we have to load it ourselves. What if I can? All right, let's see. What's that? Oh, there we go. We don't gotta load this one ourselves. I think only the smaller one we gotta load ourselves. Like the little part up there. When you can in the pickup tray, you gotta load it yourself. So now we can just go and drop this one off. We drop that one off. We get to keep this container as well. We'll drop this container down here. Oh, the other one disappeared, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna drop this off over here. You can see the bottom drops through. Nice. See what else we got. So we did the cement. I think we can do the pipes. We can do the pipes. The excavator. The excavator one is closer, I think. Let's do the excavator. And then we do the board and the pipes. And the stone last. Yeah. We got that picked up. This one completely disappears. So the one for the tractor, the excavator, whichever one it is, that one disappears. Let's see what's next up. So we can do the boards now. Okay. Then the excavator, yeah. Do the boards. Try that one. Oh, we can claim money. So 50k. Nice. Yeah, let's just see what we need to pick this up. We need to head to the mountain. So the boards is in the mountains. So let's go get this one. This one picks up the wood. Look at that. It picks it up and stacks it on the back. That's cool. Get it all set up. Nice. You can unload it if you want. Okay. Let's go drop this off. Alright, let's see what we can have next. We did the cement. Yeah, we did the cement. So it's just pipes and the stone left. Stone will be closer. Alright, I'm gonna just do the pipes. So I think the pipes one is in city too. So another long drive. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys there. My pipes is all I want. I picked up the pipe too, like how that did the words. It's cool. Drop some lines just like that. Nice. If I can go around and turn, eventually turn. What? Pipes are done. I damaged it a bit, so we lost some cash there, some points. But it's all good. Now I know. Trailers kind of feel light. Alright, which one? I think the last one is a stone. Get this one before. It's gonna be at the off-road map. The stone is the last one for the trailer, yeah? And I think it's at the off-road section. Yes, it is. Here it is all the way in off-road at the mining place. So we're gonna head over there now. Drop this one off. Drop this trailer off right here. Here we are, ready to pick up the stone. Let's go back up here. Got the machine loaded. I got that loaded. Let's move up. You can watch the stone go in. And right there. Right there, and then up there. Right there's good. Okay. And so now, what's this? Watch this. Just watch it load in. You can see the stones going in. It's low quality, but it's nice that they added a little animation, so that is cool. Let's go drop this off and get ready to use the pickup truck. Guys, unfortunately I lost most of the stone. I flipped over on the way back and look at that. It's just a little PNG. A little bit of the stone left. I was running through some obstacles and I don't think I'm getting much for it. Look at that, the backflip stuff, so that's cool. But look, I lost so much of the stone. But we completed the stone order. And next up I'm gonna grab the pickup truck and we do the missions where we have to pick up the cement bags and stuff like that. Let's go. I decided to use a new Toyota Fortuner for this one. I'm gonna try to see if it can do the pickup machines. It's a new car and it seems like it's capable, so let's do it. And you can either pick, you can pick the jobs from your phone too. You don't have to drive to the place. I just love driving up to the place and make it a professional. So I'm gonna go up there right here by the leaderboard, big construction. You can stop right there and we can choose which one we want. So now you see that these ones are not available to us anymore for trailers, but we got these ones available. We can deliver water, deliver boxes, deliver cement, and deliver tools. I wonder where the tools are. It's close by? Yeah, it's close by. So we can go pick up the tools at the warehouse right there. So let's go. Go the other round. Let's go up here. No. No, we can reverse on it. Should be able to hook it on. Yep, just like that. Oh, so I didn't exit the vehicle. They made me get out. So, so there are the tools. All right, let me turn on the gamepad real quick. So we can walk up like this, and we can pick up the tools. That's cool. I carry it in my head back into the trailer back here. We drop it off, and you see loaded in. So we got loaded in 6 of those. Okay, we got a job now. We got a 9 to 5. Bet. Let's load all of these in and get back with y'all. Oh, let me get closer. Load it on. And there we go. That's our last one. 6 out of 6. Now we're gonna hop back in our Oh, it's fortunate right now, and we good to go. Should be able to drop us off. Enable my gamepad again so I can use a wheel. And that's us, we good to go. Keep a car in there, there we go. Load. Oh, so they take it all themselves, okay, that's cool. And we still got our thing on here. I should be able to keep this on the back of my SUV. I shouldn't need to take this off. So if I start the other mission, it should just take me straight to it. So if I want to deliver cement, oh, I gotta go far to pick up cement. I want a shorter one. Water. I gotta go far for the water. What are boxes? Okay, I'll do the boxes. We'll do the boxes as the last one. But the water and the cement, I think those are at the same places where we would find the cement for the semi truck too. Don't want to drive that far. Right, so now we should be able to just load in our boxes. Gonna put it in park. You turn up the gamepad so I can use the mouse to walk. So I should be able to just go back here. Can I walk through this? Yeah, I can. And then we can pick up the box. This one heavy lifting, boys. Good job, man. Alright, we fully loaded. Let's go. Alright, good to let off right here. And I'll drop it off. Drop off our boxes, and there we go. Finish the box delivery. The rest of them are pretty much the same. Just pick up, but the cement is so far ahead. I don't want to go for that. The water is a good drive as well. But everything else pretty much the same, aside from on this trailer, and that's about it. So we're just gonna be building up and claiming the rewards. I haven't bought any premium yet. But once you do a lot of these, you're gonna get clothes, and you're gonna get premium cards and coins. You get coins for free too at the end game, but for the premium, you get coins all the way. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these jobs so far, and if you look forward to us doing them together with the update jobs. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.